Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan regenerals. How are you all doing today? I hope you're feeling good. I hope you're looking good. Because today we're going to be doing a manifesting meditation, a money manifestation meditation, okay? So we want to bring good energy all around us, okay? When it comes to money, having money flow abundantly to us, okay, collective? So please like and subscribe to the channel. Yes, come and join the Love and Light family at Gwan, Tara and Tea. So get nice and comfortable, okay? Stay hydrated if you've got a nice cup of tea by your side or some water, because we're going to get into it. So I want you to get really nice and comfortable. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Let's take another one. Let's take another one. That's it. Now imagine yourself sitting on a beautiful beach, feeling the warmth of the sun on your skin and hearing the sound of the waves crashing onto the shore. You have your favorite cocktail in your hand, and your favorite music is playing in the background. You're feeling irie, you're feeling good. Yes, we're claiming this energy. Now as you look out at the sea, you feel an overwhelming sense of peace and abundance. You feel good. You're radiating this energy all around you. You are a safe place for money, and you know that money is unlimited resource that is always flowing into your life. Yes, we're claiming this. It feels good. You are the Queen and King of Pentacles, the Ace of Pentacles, and doors of opportunities are opening up for you every single day, every single minute, every single hour. You hear that? Yes. So, place your hand on your heart and feel the happiness that comes with living an abundant life. You, honey, you are booked and busy. Yes, darling, you are booked and busy with multiple streams of income flowing to you like the river and sea flows abundantly. You have a good, and in Jamaican language, when something is so good, something sweets you, we have to repeat it twice, okay? So you have a good relationship with money, and money has a good relationship with you. All past ideas of money that have hindered you, and all feelings of lack and unworthiness are removed out of your life. As you sip on your cocktail, take that sip, you remind yourself that, using this Jamaican proverb, me no have it, don't mean that me can't get it. So this simply means just because I might not have it right now doesn't mean I can't get it. And you know why? Because you believe in yourself. Yes, we're claiming this. You believe in yourself and the infinite possibilities of the universe. And you know that all the wealth and abundance you desire is already on its way to you. You are a big thinker, constantly expanding your vision beyond limitations and thinking outside of the box. Your skills, your mindset, your abilities are exceptional, and you are highly valued and aligned with the universe. You are blessed and protected by the 72 names of God, which offer powerful spiritual energy and protection. Your ancestors, your guardian angels, your spirit guides are always guiding you and always looking after you. You are also highly favored and blessed, as demonstrated by the financial blessings of Samech Aleph Lamed, which attracts abundance and prosperity into your life as one of the 72 names of God. As an active participant in your life, you are living your life's purpose and making meaningful contributions to the world. Your relationships are positive and abundant, filled with people who celebrate and support your successes. You are deeply grateful for all that you have and all that you are becoming. Money flows effortlessly into your life like a river, providing you with everything you need and more. You hear that? Money flows to you. It flows, it flows, it flows, it flows, it flows, it flows abundantly to you. It flows as you continue to bask in the beauty of the beach. Look at that beach, embrace it while you sip on your cocktail. You know that you deserve to live a life that is full of abundant joys and experiences. Yes, 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 we are claiming this. You are claiming this. It is your birthright. Darling, it's your birthright. Take a deep breath, and when you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Embrace that. Embrace this energy and know this positive, wonderful, glowing energy is all around you. You are surrounded by this energy. Come back to this meditation of manifesting money and abundance into your life anytime. The more you embrace it, the more you bring in this good energy into your life. So, thank you for joining me in this manifesting money guiding meditation. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to Gwan Tarot and Tea. Come and be part of this love and light family. Look after yourselves look good, feel good, and I'll see you on the next one. Gwan.
Money flows to me everywhere. Money flows to me every day. Money flows to me everywhere. Money flows to me every day.